Now that's the end of the recording. I am going to talk about a few things here. I want to talk about Ultimate Insiders and Academy Boss. I'm going to be offering a new course in subscription called Academy Boss, and it's going to be free to Ultimate Insiders, of course. And but I am going to open it up to the public, and it's going to be based on using the Go High Level platform. And basically, it's also going to be implementation of Extreme Business Makeover. So if you've already got Extreme Business Makeover, or you've got New Marketer Workshop, or you're teaching it, but you have not implemented it, that's going to be part of Academy Boss. And you're going to have access to what I call the Insider Platform, which is our version of Go High Level. And basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be training on how to integrate this into building a learning center. So, there's plenty out there on, using Go High Level as a service business, but there's not a lot out there on building it, using it as a learning center. And that's what I'm going to be spending probably the rest of this calendar year on with Ultimate Insiders and anyone else that buys into the subscription program that we do. So again, you're going to have access to the platform. Now, what I'm probably going to do, if you're an Ultimate Insiders, I will give you access to the agency level. I'm thinking about that so that if you buy into Academy Boss, you will get access to the platform. If you're an Ultimate Insider, you'll get access to the agency license. That's what I'm thinking right now. Haven't fully decided on that. Regardless, if you're an Academy Boss, I'm going to be involved with you, and you would just not have access to our content, right? So you would not get access to any of our content discounts. You would not get access to our content, but you would have access to Academy Boss. You will have access to the platform, with that subscription. Ultimate Insiders get one free funnel every month. All of our PLR at 50% off the launch price. They get New Marketer Workshop and Extreme Business Makeover. They're going to get top tier access to Go High Level. So if I decide to go with the agency level, they're going to get that, right? And then they're going to get the Academy Boss training for free. Now again, I'm going to be offering that as a subscription. If you're not an Ultimate Insider, you're going to see how to implement. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be reteaching e-learning playbook, and I'm going to teach it in context. The context I'm going to teach it in is going to be in Go High Level. And I'm also going to teach it in the context of Extreme Business Makeover. That's going to be how you're going to market your information marketing business. Now, I know a number of people that are involved in information marketing and don't build a brand for years, right? And I can't even say that I did this for years, but the New Marketer Workshop and Extreme Business Makeover is everything I wish somebody would have taught me. Right? So if you haven't gone through that, I really want to encourage you to go through it. If you have it and you're kind of sitting on it, I would encourage you to go through it. Ultimate Insiders get unlimited questions and launch support if they're going to launch business-related PLR, then 25% on one-on-one coaching. And again, you can sign up as an Ultimate Insider at theplrshow.com/insiders. Okay, so any questions? Any questions on Go High Level or on Ultimate Insider? Any questions? Okay, so as a reminder, there are no replays to this session. So I'm going to be editing this. I'm going to be getting it ready for the DFY Live Masterclass. I'm going to have I'm going to get the machine transcription and the PowerPoint, and I'm going to upload it. So I always ask that you allow 48 to 72 hours, but this will not be replayed because again, so it's only going to be part for those people that did get the upgrade to the Go High Level system, so that you can teach your customers everything that I just taught you on using Go High Level. Okay, so thanks very much, everybody, for hanging out with me here. I appreciate you all. Have a great night and a pleasant tomorrow. Take care.